Good morning, guys. Oh, sorry. Good evening. I'm used to hunt in the morning. 7:39 in the evening. It's already low tide, but I'm late. This area has been hunted. There's a lot of holes already. So I'll just try. I will just search from here, going anywhere. First signal is 73, and this is the ID of a silver. So I hope we'll get a silver on the first dig. Alright. Ho ho. It's not a silver, guys, but it is a ring. See, the area is very well hunted, but I think they will not able to search this portion. This is just, I think, gold-plated copper. My start. First dig is a ring. $44.52. Oh, it's a big bolt, stainless bolt. Very small coin. Oh, it's all 10 centavos from 70s, 80s. Oh, it's a gold bar. Nice gold bar. Oh, nice. A sand crab and an earring, guys. Diamond earring. Look at that, guys. Nice earring. Oh, I think we found another earring, guys. It's nice design, but this is just copper junk. Right, finally got a coin. Alright guys, I'm already 1.5 kilometers away from where I started, so it's time to go back. There's no treasure on the water. We found 2 junk earrings. We'll try the low tide area, but it's actually going high tide now. This area has been hunted out, so maybe we'll go back to the shallow water. Oh, and the left is foil. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow, gold color air tie. A high tone. Oh, found a ring, guys, and it's 77. I think this is silver, guys. Found a silver ring. Nice one. 5 peso. ₱5 for that. Ah, it's so cold. Oh, found a ring, guys. It's a white ring. There's a marking inside, guys. I hope this is something good. I cannot read the marking. Check later. Alright, guys, thank you for this. 50 peso, right? 55. Fall down. Alright, guys, 11:27 in the evening. We're now at the home base. Let's go home.